At Tung Group of Hospital, Chang College, CMT, we are committed to fostering a progressive STEM ecosystem that inspires innovation, nurtures curiosity, and empowers students to contribute meaningfully to the challenges of the 21st century. Our mission is to prepare students not just academically, but holistically, equipping them with the mindset to address real-world problems with creativity and empathy.
Our vision is brought to life through clear goals and purposeful strategies. At the heart of our effort lies a commitment to advancing STEM education in ways that are both impactful and transformative.
The goal of our STEM education is to cultivate students' STEM literacy and a banal mindset and an anthropocentric perspective. That is, a human-centered perspective. We empower the younger generations to integrate knowledge and apply an engineering mindset by using the design cycle to innovate and solve real-life problems.
To achieve this, we advocate the STEM-based project approach in learning. It outlines 5 essential elements for every successful STEM project: project-based, scenario leading, knowledge connectedness, exploration and elaboration, and tangible production. Our project planning adopts 3-act structure to engage students at every stage, with the 4C strategy: connectedness, coherence, continuity, and convergence. Our teachers ensure meaningful and impactful learning experience.
But how do these principles come alive in the classroom? Let's take a closer look at how our students apply this approach to real-world challenges.
It all started with a global challenge present in our class: rising sea levels. We were asked, how can we design a new form of water transportation? This question sparked our journey.
Our subjects came alive as they connected insights. We experiment with solar panels. In math and IT, we analyze data to find the optimal setup. In design and technology, we use eco-friendly materials to build the boat.
Seeing our boat move using solar power was incredible. We collaborated, built, and solved a real-world problem. It showed us that what we learn in school truly makes a difference.
Our STEM approach thrives because of the synergy between disciplines. Teachers across subjects work together to provide students with a holistic learning experience that connects theory to practice.
From the very first lesson, we nurture curiosity. In general science, students explore pressing global issues like air quality. For example, our students designed an air quality monitoring device, integrated sensors to collect data and form hypotheses to improve our living conditions. This hands-on approach empowers them to think critically about the world around them.
Physics is the bridge between idea and reality. Our students apply the principles of mechanics to design and build robots capable of complex tasks. In a recent project, they engineered a robot that uses precise motor control to complete delicate operations. This experience teaches students how to turn abstract ideas into functional solutions.
STEM projects should be tangible. In our projects, students experiment with materials to evaluate their properties and environmental impact. For example, using biodegradable plastics in their 3D printed design, they learned not only about chemistry, but also sustainability. This lesson fosters responsibility and instills a deep appreciation for environmentally conscious innovation.
Understanding ecosystem is key to creating meaningful innovations. In our Form 3 weather station project, students integrate a Juno technology to collect localized data on heat, humidity, and air quality. By analyzing the data, students explore the effect of urbanization and global warming, fostering ecological awareness while demonstrating how biology connects with real-world environmental challenges.
At CMT, mathematics is the backbone of STEM innovation. When students worked on their solar-powered boat project, they used mathematical models to analyze solar panel efficiency and optimize designs. By applying mathematical reasoning to real-world challenges, students learn how data can guide decision-making and lead to tangible outcomes.
Technology is the backbone of our STEM innovation. In the recent collaboration, students use Arduino microcontrollers to build prototypes for smart home devices. By integrating programming, sensor data, and real-time feedback, they demonstrate how ICT can transform ideas into practical user-friendly solutions.
Geography connects STEM with societal challenges. For the Farm 3 Weather Station project, students collect environmental data from their homes to map the urban heat island effect. Through the project, they produce a heat map illustrating how urban areas contribute to global warming. This interdisciplinary approach helps students see the connection between technical skills and addressing global challenges.
When we stood on the stage at the robotics competitions, it wasn't just about winnings. It was the moment I realized that everything we learned from the design cycles in the boat project to the data analyzed in the weather stations had prepared us for this. We were not just executing commands. We were truly problem-solving under the pressures as a team.
The competition pushed us to our limits, but the mindset we developed here at CMT to see every challenge as a problem to be solved, to collaborate, to keep iterating, that's what truly makes a difference. It showed us we can innovate and complete on any stage.
Our mission doesn't stop at providing excellence within the school. We extend our STEM expertise and support to the wider community, building a collaborative ecosystem that benefits all.
Our mission extends beyond our campus. As the coordinating school for the Quality Education Fund thematic network, we work closely with primary schools to help build their STEM curriculum. By sharing our STEM pedagogy and STEMmaker expertise, we contribute to creating a stronger STEM education community from the ground up.
At the core of this driving ecosystem are teachers whose dedication and expertise drive our STEM education forward.
The heart of our ecosystem is our dedicated teachers. Through the Thien Awardees Workshop for STEM, we provide teacher training, lead educational research, and share best practice with fellow educators. This professional learning community fosters excellence in STEM teaching and inspires others to co-create innovative education strategies. With strong foundation and a clear vision, our school is poised to lead the next generation into a future of limitless possibilities.
Our ecosystem is a living force of collaboration, innovation, and compassion. By combining rigorous pedagogy, a concrete methodology, and empowered teachers, we inspire students to dream big. Together, we are preparing them not just for the world of tomorrow, but to create a better future for all.